Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use sketch pens on your Silhouette Cameo 4. First, prepare your machine by removing the blade from carriage 1. Next, carefully insert your chosen sketch pen into carriage 1 until it clicks firmly into position. Make sure the pen is seated correctly. Then, gently lower the pen until its tip just makes contact with your cutting mat. This ensures proper drawing pressure for your designs. Now, let's move to the Silhouette Studio software. Open your design or create a new one. Once your design is ready, navigate to the Send panel. Here, you'll select Sketch as your action type. This tells your Cameo to draw instead of cut. You can then fine-tune the force and speed settings, typically starting with a force of about 10 and a speed of 5, to achieve the best results for your specific pen and paper. With your design and pen ready, it's time to load your material. Carefully place your chosen paper onto the cutting mat, ensuring it's aligned properly with the mat's grid lines. Then, load the mat into your Silhouette Cameo machine. Double-check that everything is secure. Finally, return to Silhouette Studio and click the Send button. Your machine will now begin sketching your design with precision. To get the most out of your sketch pens, here are a few best practices. Experiment with various pen types, like gel or felt tip, and different paper textures to discover unique artistic effects. Regularly clean your pen holder to prevent any ink buildup, which can affect performance. Always store your sketch pens horizontally to ensure even ink distribution and prevent them from drying out prematurely, extending their lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.